Something massive is brewing inside Samsung's secret labs, and the tech world can feel the tremors already. Whispers, leaks, and hidden code names are hinting at a device that could reshape the meaning of a flagship smartphone. The Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra isn't just another yearly upgrade. It's being described as a quantum leap, a device that might just blur the line between smartphone and futuristic technology. From what's surfacing online through industry insiders, early renders, and cryptic certification documents, it seems Samsung is preparing a masterpiece, sleeker, smarter, faster, and bolder than anything we've seen before. Imagine a phone that doesn't just push boundaries but redefines them completely. Leaked renders suggest an ultra-premium design, thinner than ever, reportedly under 7mm thick, with a perfectly flat display and the most symmetrical bezels Samsung has ever achieved. The edges? Slightly rounded for that smooth, polished grip, while the body itself screams craftsmanship, precision, and power. And just wait until you hear about the color options. Samsung might introduce a cosmic orange finish, something vibrant, almost glowing, meant to capture attention from across the room. Alongside it, expect the classic phantom black, silver titanium, and a new champagne gold. But beyond beauty lies brute power, and the S26 Ultra is shaping up to be a beast. Reports suggest it will run on the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chipset, Qualcomm's next-gen silicon built for insane performance and energy efficiency. But that's not all. Some regions might get Samsung's in-house Exynos 2600, built on a revolutionary 2nm process, potentially rivaling Apple's most advanced chips in both speed and battery optimization. Imagine console-level graphics, near-instant app launches, and AI-driven performance tuning that adapts to how you use your phone in real time. Yes, this device is expected to use AI not just for photos, but across the system, from smarter multitasking to predictive power management. Early insiders hint that the Galaxy AI suite, introduced with the S24 series, will expand dramatically here. Think live translation, on-device chat assist, smarter summarization, and even contextual replies handled entirely offline, meaning your private data stays secure. Samsung's collaboration with Google and OpenAI seems to be reaching new heights, and if leaks are to be believed, the S26 Ultra might even use enhanced on-device AI cores, designed specifically for local inference. That means faster results, more privacy, and almost zero lag in voice or image recognition. Now let's talk display, the heart of any flagship. The S26 Ultra will reportedly feature a 6.9-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X LTPO panel, pushing brightness beyond 2800 nits and offering true adaptive refresh rates between 1 and 120 Hz. Translation, it's going to be smoother than silk, more responsive than ever, and nearly impossible to wash out in bright sunlight. Some insiders even claim Samsung is experimenting with a new anti-reflective coating similar to what Apple uses in its Pro displays, drastically reducing glare while keeping contrast razor sharp. Combine that with HDR10+ and Dolby Vision support, and it's clear Samsung wants the Ultra to be not just a phone, but a portable cinematic screen. And here's where it gets really exciting, camera upgrades. While Samsung is likely keeping the 200-megapixel main sensor, reports say it's now paired with a wider aperture, possibly f1.4, to dramatically improve low-light performance. Expect photos that are brighter, sharper, and richer in detail, even in near darkness. Nightography is said to be getting a major overhaul, with Samsung's AI-powered image processing now capable of blending multiple frames in milliseconds for zero blur and maximum clarity. The Ultra will also feature a 50-megapixel ultra-wide sensor, a 12-megapixel telephoto lens for 3x optical zoom, and a 50-megapixel periscope telephoto for 5x zoom, all working together with AI scene detection that automatically optimizes colors, contrast, and dynamic range. Video shooters will love this. Early test units reportedly shoot 8K video at 30 FPS and 4K HDR at 120 FPS with improved stabilization. And there's talk of a new AI director mode that tracks moving subjects, reframes scenes dynamically, and enhances skin tones in real time. On the front, a 12-megapixel selfie camera might finally go under display, offering a cleaner, uninterrupted viewing experience without the classic punch hole. Some reports hint at under-panel camera technology so advanced, you might not even see the sensor when the display is on. It's sleek, futuristic, and absolutely Samsung. Now about that battery, $5,000 mAh remains the magic number, but insiders claim Samsung is optimizing every milliamp through AI-driven power scheduling, meaning longer life without increasing size. But the real upgrade might be in charging. Leaks point to 60-watt fast charging support, something Samsung fans have been asking for years. That means a full charge in nearly half the time compared to previous models. Some whispers even mention 65 watts, but until that's confirmed, 60 watts alone would be a welcome leap. Wireless charging is staying, of course. But this time with new QI2 magnetic alignment support, basically Samsung's answer to Apple's MagSafe, letting you snap on chargers, stands, or accessories effortlessly. And speaking of accessories, the beloved S Pen is reportedly smarter, with better latency and a new texture that feels more like writing on real paper. Inside, expect storage options from 256GB all the way up to a mind-blowing 1TB, with 12 or 16GB RAM configurations depending on the region. Samsung's One UI 7, based on Android 15, is expected to ship with deeper customization, smarter widgets, and a cleaner visual layout. And yes, extended software support of up to 7 years, which is huge. On the connectivity front, you're looking at Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, and an upgraded UWB chip for precise location tracking. Security lovers rejoice. Samsung's Knox Vault is going even deeper into hardware, protecting passwords, biometric data, and even payment tokens at the silicon level. And here's a fun leak. Samsung might integrate an IR sensor or temperature scanner back into the Ultra, a feature users have been missing since the Note series days. Design-wise, this device isn't just elegant, it's strategic. The camera housing looks refined, the edges are softened, and the finish feels almost jewel-like. It's not flashy for the sake of attention. It's a statement of confidence. Leaked dummy units show how Samsung is mastering minimalism, removing unnecessary curves and clutter while maintaining a powerful presence. It's a phone that looks expensive and feels even more so in the hand. Now, of course, we have to talk about pricing. Early predictions suggest the Galaxy S26 Ultra will start somewhere between $1,299 and $1,399 in the US, depending on storage configuration. Yes, it's pricey, but this isn't just about specs anymore. This is about owning one of the most advanced pieces of technology humanity has put in a pocket. And if Samsung's rumored trade-in and upgrade programs stay as generous as last year's, many existing S24 Ultra users might jump in for the performance, display, and AI improvements alone. So, what does all of this mean for the smartphone world? If these leaks hold true, Samsung might be preparing to reclaim the crown. Not just as a hardware innovator, but as the brand defining what a smart device can really do. This phone isn't about incremental changes. It's about vision. About showing that innovation isn't slowing down, it's accelerating. From faster chips to smarter AI, from brighter screens to cameras that practically see in the dark, the Galaxy S26 Ultra is shaping up to be that once-in-a-generation upgrade that changes expectations. Every leak adds a new piece to the puzzle. A thinner frame here, a faster charge there, an AI breakthrough that seems almost too good to be true. And as launch season approaches, anticipation keeps building. Tech fans are calling it the most complete Galaxy ever, and honestly, it might just be. So buckle up, because when Samsung finally unveils the Galaxy S26 Ultra in early 2026, it won't just be a phone reveal, and it'll be a statement to the entire industry. Innovation is alive, and it's shining brighter than ever in the Galaxy.